Hi guys, Teresa here with Nissan CDJR in Kingsville. I'm currently in their service department and I have Nieto, one of our techs, with us. He is currently working on this vehicle. Now, what did they bring this vehicle in today for?
For the AC not cooling.
Okay.
So
the AC wasn't cooling. So now we're just kind of diagnosing it, trying to see what's causing the problem. So come join us. We'll just look.
Yeah, basically just checking for, make sure you ain't got no refrigerant leak.
Uh-huh.
Checking the,
Okay.
it was about half a pound low, so it's got to have a leak somewhere, which is basically
Trying to locate it. Mm-hmm.
And basically that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Filled it up with refrigerant and it's blowing ice cold, so no
leak
problems with the AC compressor or nothing. So.
Awesome. Well, that's a good sign.
Yes.
And this machine right here, it tests.
Yeah, this is a refrigerant leak detector. Infrared refrigerant leak detector. It actually picks up the freon.
Okay.
Leak.
Leaks.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got sensitivity level. You know, whenever you see a leak, it'll go all the way to the red, or depending on the severity of the leak.
The leak, right?
Yeah. As long as it stays in the green, it's good.
Okay.
You can check in the condenser, make sure no rocks or anything hit it right here in the front.
Okay.
They're pretty vulnerable to rocks or something. There's no leaks there. It's also equipped with a front and rear evaporator core, so I already checked
the back. So also could check back here.
Yeah, I already checked the rear evaporator core.
I
removed the flow resistor, which will give me access to the rear evaporator core. So.
Alright guys, so we figured out, or should I say, Mr. Nieto figured out what was wrong with the AC. And it turns out that, Mr. Nieto?
Yes, that the rear evaporator core was leaking. As you can see right there in the corner and everything, it's got like a oily film. So ended up leaking out of there. It's a very small leak, but it's enough to leak, the 1 pound of freon that it had in there. So it probably leaked over a certain period of time. So
well, nice work, Mr. Nieto.
Yes.
Thank
you very much.
Well, guys, just a little insight of what we do here. Wonderful techs that we have ready to get down to the problem and figure out what's going on with y'all's vehicle. Give us a call or stop by and bring your vehicles in, and we'll be happy to get you back out on the road.
All right. Bye.